everyone, hope you're all doing well. My name is 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲 and you're watching Language Fluent. Language Fluent provides coaching in various foreign languages for jobs, immigration purposes, and we also provide a job-oriented course which has a duration of 2 years. For more information, you can call on the numbers given below or download our app. The link is in the description box. Today, we're going to study los artículos en español, which means the articles in Spanish. Articles are the words which accompany a noun. There are 8 articles in Spanish and they are divided into 2 categories. The first is artículos definidos or artículos determinados, which means definite articles. There are 4 definite articles: el, la, los, and las. The second category is artículos indefinidos or artículos indeterminados, which means indefinite articles: un, una, unos, and unas. We are first going to talk about artículos definidos or artículos determinados, which means definite articles. When a noun is masculine and singular, we attach el. When a noun is masculine plural, we attach los. Similarly, if a noun is feminine singular, we attach la, and if it is feminine plural, we attach las. We generally use definite articles to talk about specific things. For example, el perro de mi vecino es muy juguetón, which means the dog of my neighbor is very playful. So we're talking about a specific dog here. La biblioteca está cerrada. The library is closed. We're talking about a specific library here. Los libros en la mochila son míos. The books in the bag are mine. He perdido las gafas de mi padre. I have lost the spectacles of my father. Moving on to the uses of artículos definidos. We use artículos definidos when we talk about cosas generales, which means things in general. For example, la jirafa es el animal más alto. The giraffe is the tallest animal. El rojo es mi color favorito. Red is my favorite color. Fecha y hora. When we're talking about date and time, we use artículo definido. For example, hoy es el 20 de enero de 2021. Today is 20th January of 2021. Son las 2 de la tarde. It's 2 in the afternoon. Hablar de frecuencia. When we're talking about the frequency of doing something. For example, voy al parque 5 días a la semana. I go to the park 5 days a week. Partes del cuerpo. When we talk about body parts, we always use artículo definido. For example, me duele la espalda. My back is hurting. Títulos. La doctora 𝗂𝗂𝗲 está de permiso hoy. Dr. 𝗂𝗂𝗲 is on a leave today. Nombres de montañas, ríos, lagos, mares y océanos. Mountains, rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. El Monte Everest es el pico más alto. Mount Everest is the tallest peak. Porcentajes. With percentages, we always use artículo definido. For example, solo el 50% de los alumnos aprobaron. Only 50% of the students passed. Moving on to artículos indefinidos. There are 4 indefinite articles, and when the noun is masculine singular, we attach un. When the noun is masculine plural, we attach unos. Similarly, when it is feminine singular, we attach una, and when it is feminine plural, we attach unas. We generally use artículos indefinidos to talk about things that are not specific. For example, quiero comprar un coche. I want to buy a car. I'm not talking about a specific car here. Mi amigo vive en una casa enorme. My friend lives in an enormous house. La maestra necesita unos lápices. The teacher needs some pencils. Le regalé unas camisas muy bonitas. I gifted her some very pretty shirts. Moving on to other uses of artículos indefinidos. Con una cantidad aproximada, in plural, which means when we're talking about approximate quantities. El parque está a unos 100 metros de aquí. The park is some 100 meters from here. Necesito unas 10 plantas para la casa. I need some 10 plants for the house. Delante de sustantivos y adjetivos, para describir las cualidades del sujeto, when we're using it in a sentence to describe the quality of the subject. La niña es una travesura. The kid is a mischief. Preposición más artículo. The prepositions de and a, when attached with el, become a single word. De más el becomes del. A más el becomes al. Vivimos detrás del museo. We live behind the museum. De más el. Quiero ir al parque. I want to go to the park. A más el. Please remember that we do not attach an article with proper nouns, for example, names of people, organizations, and places, unless and until there is an article attached to the name itself. For example, El Reino Unido, United Kingdom, Los Estados Unidos, the United States. Alright, that is it for today's video. I hope this was easy to understand, and if you liked it, please leave a like and comment. Also, to register for our full course, you can click on the link given in the description box. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.